Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, friends, you must be wondering what is there in my screen, what I'm going to discuss today. So, it is a very hot topic because these are things that you have been Googling since a very long related to your career. Okay, so which is the highest paying job as of now in India or in world, and which is the job that is having a lot of opportunities present as well as in near future, which is the job domain which is not affected by AI in present as well as in near future. Okay, so I'm going to discuss such a domain which is having millions of job openings in currently. I mean, in within 2 3 years, they are having so much of opportunity. So if you can start your career now, then it is going to transform a lot in your career. Okay. And the highlighting part is that this is not only for IT. IT, non-IT, the recently batch student and who is already working but would love to shift to this domain can take care of it, and who has a gap, anything, anyone. The only criteria is you must be willing to be a part of this. Okay, so let's discuss that. So if you search this in Google, the second thing that you come in this list is data science, right? So I'm going to discuss about data science. So data science is actually an umbrella term. There are so many job roles under data science, so like data scientist, data engineer, data analyst, ML engineer, many things. Okay, so it's closely related to artificial intelligence, machine learning. It has different aspects. Okay, so this job opening, if you want to get in, you have a kind of easy platform. Okay, so let me introduce you that is Audin School. So you must be aware of what is Audin School already. It's a very famous platform only which have transport many people's career. So let me share you one detail is that they are about to start a data science boot camp on this 29th of July. Okay, so 6 months boot camp is what they're providing. From 6th month to 12th month, they are providing placement assistance. Okay, so what all comes under placement in this, we will discuss that. Okay, and about the fees and all this, we are going to discuss. Okay, so the link to this, all the details will be there in the description. You can have a look at by yourself. I urge everyone to look at it, even if you're taking like planning to be a part of or not. No worries, you have to go through it because it's very inspiring to say this. So don't worry about this fees. You have a tremendous discount which you can't even imagine. We'll come to that. Let's go through important pointers. That is, they're having 500 plus hiring partners, and I'm sure that your dream company will be there in this list. You can see the top companies ruling the world right now is there in the list. Okay, it's keep on scrolling. If you would spend some time, you will find all the companies here. Okay, and this is it: career transition, career gap, career upgrade, career launch. So anyone who want to start their career in data science, no matter how your past is, you can be a part of it. Any graduate, okay? So here we have some success stories. These people are sharing their own story, like which is very close. I mean, the stories will be very close to your story as well. So it will be very motivating for you because no matter if you join or not, just go through this. This will help you to have a clear direction of how you have to be. Okay, so if you just hover over, you can see this LinkedIn tab. Like, so this, if you just click, you it will take you to their LinkedIn profiles. Okay, so I took a kind one of their profile, that is this person, from the list, from the success story itself. So we can see he's already been with Audin School. So this is genuine enough because we could find that person, the real person. It's not something they have put in uh, like in the website. Okay, okay. Now, when we scroll down, this is the highlighting part. So, at most package the people have received from this platform is that 35 lakhs per annum, and the median package is 7 and 8 lakhs per annum. Okay, if you just go through the stories, you will understand that. So, the package range in general, what they are getting is 6 to 20 lakhs per annum is the wide range that is provided here. Okay, now these are the job roles under this like data science umbrella, and you will be having the skills. These are the skills required, so you will be upgraded to the skills once you are being a part of this program. Okay, now if you just go, these are the career services. I told you, like 360-degree placement services what they're providing. So this is it, resume building. And the important part which is really fascinating for me, that is mock interviews, which is very very important, because even if you know, it is very important to impress the interviewer in interviews. So only mock interviews can help with it. No matter like if you are a good person among your friends in communication, that doesn't help. If you are taking part in mock interviews only, you can perform in interviews. So that they're providing behavioral skills workshop, they're providing an online profile building, industry interaction, regular job rights and everything. So it is like if you I mean, they are helping you to start from scratch. Okay, so that's a highlighting part ever. And if you just scroll down, there are much more details on the same. You can see these are the curriculum, what all the things, everything is transparently shown in this website. So it will not be a problem for you to, explore, okay, to understand what is actually happening. So these are the tools that you will be going through. These are the real time projects. If you just go, you will find all the projects. These are the leading applications in the industry right now. So you are getting exposed to that as well. You can download the brochure here to get more details, and audience school and others, the comparisons. You can see classes, bootcamp price, scholarships, and all those, right? Can scroll down and see much more. So these are the mentors and speakers in audience school. So they are the direct people from industry which is having years of experience, which can guide you very well in this platform. Okay, and what you get from this, everything is mentioned in this. Okay, so if you just scroll down, you have this success story, right? If you go there, you get this window. So success stories is really important. Why I'm telling you over and over again is that this will give you a great turning point, because I could see people who have got 158 percentage hike. Okay, can you just believe? Even if you jump from one company to other, it's very difficult to get 158%. It's almost impossible, right? But still, they have got. If you just go, this lady is having 14 years. See, 14 years age gap, but good. Career launch in the sense from the freshers to analytics, executive analytics. Transition happened, 9 years gap could get up to it. Then 2 year gap to see transition, launch, 104-degree salary hike, and 33% salary hike. Here you have everything. Just scroll and see it yourself how people have, transitioned their career. This is it. See, 158% salary hike. So it's unbelievable. It's almost impossible to many of us, but they can help you to make it possible. Okay. So just go through these stories. From these stories, with a couple of which I have read, I have found her, which is very fascinating, because this, the PhD holder switched to a full-time data science job. This story is almost impossible. Just see, she was a PhD holder, that too in different domain, not related to data science at all, but could transist her career into this data science job, that too with a great CTC package. So it's like, even if you're having a degree which is not related to IT, it is very difficult to get an IT job. But just imagine, till PhD she have did something, but she want to switch, but she could do that with this platform. So that is the strength of here. Okay, so I hope you will be finding your similar stories here. Your, I mean, where you have to be, these people will be there where you want to be. Okay, so you can just hover, click on the LinkedIn and go in. Okay, so now let's go to the application part. So this is it, 29 July starting. You can just reserve your seat. If you're reserving it beforehand, then you have your own benefits. So the total fees is 99,000 plus GST, but don't worry, you have discounts. Okay, so once you register, you can take a test. So that is for the scholarship. So once you are qualified for the test, you can get up to 30,000. Okay, this 30,000 rupees, up to 30,000 you get the scholarship, number one. And the second thing is that if you are registering with us, I mean, if you belong to online study for your family and using our coupon code, then you can get up to 10K discount. 8K will be in that, in 8K is your pre-booking, right? Early seats booking. So that discount, and 2K from our side as well. So in general, you're getting 10K if you're using our link and code to apply to it. Okay, so you can just click on to this and get in. So no cost EMIs are there. Starts at 6,300 per month. Like, this is how EMI option goes. And above all this, the highlighting part is that this thing, if you didn't find this is interesting, or you want to back out within 10 days of starting the boot camp, you can back out, you can quit it with full amount refund. Okay, fully refund. So if you are thinking, if you're in double mind, you can join by paying whatever it is, and then within 10 days, if you didn't find it good, then you can back out. Your money is saved, your money is not going anywhere. You will definitely get it. It's like a highlighting point. Okay, no one will be providing this kind of opportunity for you. So it is all up to your experience. If you find it well, get it, else it's fine. Okay, so you can click on to this reserve seat and start your application process. Okay, so this is it. Okay, give your details and all that. See, flat 10 percentage off, scholarship up to 30, all these things are provided. Then give your details. So GST is only this much coming. Give all your details and pay now and start with it. Okay. So how is the steps going is that first you will enroll. Okay, after that there will be a counseling session. One of the counselors will be talking to you so that you get all your doubts cleared. You can ask any doubts, any concerns that you're having, you can ask them. It will be cleared. After that you can be a part of this cohort. Okay, for scholarship also you will have to attend a test in between. That's how the process goes. Okay, so I hope the application process pretty much clear to you. And when it comes to how the highlights of this class is that you will have live interactive sessions. That details is provided in the website itself. You have live interactive sessions and project based learning. We saw the project slide. Project based learning is there. Regular interaction with industry experts. We saw the mentors, how well known they are. And rigorous classes every weekend will be there. Workshops on workplace behavioral skills, interview preparation, all this we saw, right? And we saw the tools also, which you'll be using and which you'll be getting knowledge on, like understand and apply statistics for real time analysis, then master Python tools for data analysis, pattern prediction, visualization, pre-process and modify unstructured data into structured ones, use SQL to build and maintain databases, use understand algorithms, apply machine learning, which is a strong thing in current scenario, and enrich pattern predictions for data visualization. Then obviously the job part, that is a complete thing is, job aligned industry vetted curriculum it is. So you will be getting placement assistance from them as well. Okay, so this is how it goes. If you have any doubts and you want to be, clear about all those things, you have options as well. See, the call option is there, WhatsApp option is there, you can reach out to them and get your doubts cleared. Okay, so I hope that everything is clear. You are not paying the full amount. You will definitely have a great deduction from the discount will be there. And if you just, compare the fees that you're paying with respect to the CTC that you're getting after this cohort is, it's very meager, right? The payment is very meager. So if you're someone who love this opportunity, would love to get in this opportunity, details are there in the description, you can pick it up there. Any doubts regarding this, you can contact the team directly from this window. Okay, you can do that. And if you want any kind of information like this, okay, in this particular field, how can we, all those kind of things which you wanted us to present before you, do our research and present before you, you can put that in comment section. We definitely will be coming back with that in our next video. So I hope all the things are pretty much clear here. Hope you will be making use of this opportunity. So everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.